Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to the English class. Students, as you all know, we have completed with a very big chapter, that's Let's March. Now, today we will move towards the new chapter, lesson number 2.3, Connecting the Dots. Students, as you all know, whenever we start any lesson, we start with warming up activity. So let's see what is there in today's warming up activity. Question number 1. Connect the dots to get what means a lot to you. Connecting the dot means एक दूसरे को जोड़ना. Okay, connection of dots, connecting the information. जैसे कि अभी हमारे ज़िंदगी में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. When we connect, sometimes we have to go back, sometimes we have to collect the memories, and then we connect, then it comes as a incident in our life. ठीक है, एक कहानी बनती है, एक जर्नी बनती है. So here many alphabets are reshuffled. So what you all have to do, you all have to arrange them in proper order and you have to make a word. बहुत सारे word बन सकते हैं. Okay, you can make any word of your own. See, I have done for you. The word is student. STUDENT. You can make as many as words you can. No problem with that. Let's see what is the next question. With your benchmate, use the letters given above to make a word register of computers. Set a time limit of 5 minutes and compare your list with the other list of your classmate. क्या करना है आपको यहाँ पे? You have to make the list. Computer. Parts of computer you all know. You all are familiar with the computer. You have seen computer, right? You have lectures of computers in the school. So what you have to do, you have to make a word register. Now tell me, children, what do you mean by word register? There's a difference between word chain and word register. Word register means the words which are related to each other. So here they are asking you to make a word register of computer. मतलब कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड सारे चीज़ों के नाम आपको लिखने हैं. Simple. You can write parts of computers. So what I have written over here? Mouse, keyboard, CD, DVD, software. आप पेन ड्राइव भी लिख सकते हो. Movies, PDF. Okay, song, PPT, data key, speakers, and what else we use in the computer? All those things will come into this. Okay, so you make a list, ask your friend to make the another list, and then you can compare. It's a fun to do such activities. Okay, why there are warming up activities, children? To improve your knowledge, to improve your thinking, to make you independent. आपको खुद से भी कुछ करते हुए आना चाहिए. So we have done these two easy questions. Third one, you are quite familiar with computer, especially the personal computer. Form pair and make a list. This we have done. Okay, make a list of famous computer manufacturing company. One is given you. See, computer manufacturing company, आजकल मोबाइल फोन्स एप्पल के यूज़ होते हैं, तो one example of Apple is given. Rather than Apple, you have to make a list of another. So, Lenovo, Asus, Samsung, और किस चीज़ का? Toshiba. This is also one of the company of making laptops and computers. And which else? और कौन सी कंपनी होती है जिसके कंप्यूटर होते हैं? Sansui and many more are there. Videocon. So you have to write the name of those companies. The one is given, that is Apple. Apart from Apple, which other companies are there that you have to write? Okay. Next, the third warming up activity. Complete the web by filling the various benefits of computers. See, children, now we all are at home. Schools are not open. So we are connected to each other through the mode of communication. What is that mode? WhatsApp. Okay, which comes in the mobile phone and which is somewhere related to computer, somewhere related to technology. So in this era, living without computer is almost impossible. because computer is the basic need nowadays. Okay, you get the papers that is typed by computer, you get any list, anything that comes from computer. So computer is very very important. So benefits of computers, see I have written here 4 benefits. Apart from this, I want you all to write it down on your own, what you feel. क्या क्या है आप सोचो अभी, think for a minute and try to write the answer on your own. What you can do, क्या है benefits computer के, can make PPT and Word documents. Okay, now I am making PPT and showing you. This is one of the benefit, right? Because computer is working on the phone पे हम काम कर रहे हैं but through, लेकिन सारे जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो कंप्यूटर के ही हैं. देन सेकेंड बेनिफिट, can surf internet and take information. Yes, information we get from the internet which is connected to the computer. Watch movies and listen music. Play games and save data. Okay, apart from this और क्या है उसके benefits? You can fill the data, you can make list of many things. बिजनेस में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है इसका. ओके, तो जो भी है एक्सेल में आप फाइल बना सकते हो, यू कैन सेव द फोल्डर्स, यू कैन राइट द रिकॉर्ड्स. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी असेंशियल फॉर बिजनेस एंड ट्रेडिंग, राइट? कंप्यूटर इज़ असेंशियल. अगर आप एक मॉल में जाते हो या फिर डीमार्ट में जाते हो, इट इज़ वेरी ऑफन दैट व्हेन वी गो वी सी दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ डन बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर. मोस्टली आपने यहाँ पर देखा होगा मॉल में या डीमार्ट में, सारे सब कुछ जो भी होता है एवरीथिंग इज़ डन बाय द कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर में सब रजिस्टर होता है और फिर वहाँ से आपको इजीली मतलब सब कुछ हो जाता है. व्हेन यू गो ऑन द काउंटर यू माइट हैव सीन, अगर नहीं किया है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जाएंगे तो ऑब्जर्व कर लो. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज़ डन ऑन द कंप्यूटर. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग एंड परचेसिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मटेरियल लेने जा रहे हैं आप, या फिर कपड़ों की दुकान में भी अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो यू विल सी दैट द कंप्यूटर्स आर देयर. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन these facilities are almost in every store. Okay, next, expand the following into their full form. See, there are many short forms which are being used in the lessons. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे short forms है वो lessons में use होते हैं. So here you have to write the long form of that. That's मतलब that is or that has. Didn't, I didn't. So what is the full form of didn't? Did not. Can't, cannot. See, these are mainly used in question tags if I am not wrong. I have. Okay, write the shortened form of the following. अब ये उसका उल्टा करना है आपको. You have to write the short form of this. Long forms are given. You have. YOU, then apostrophe and VE. I would. I apostrophe and D. It is, its. You are, your. He will, he'll. ऐसे उसको जल्दी से प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है. I had. Will not, won't. See, children make mistake in will not. Willn't कर देते हैं उसको. That is wrong. Will not का होता है won't. Shall not, shan't. Are not, aren't. Need not, needn't. Must not, mustn't. Okay, so these are the few examples which we have seen today. Okay children, so this warming up activity you will be doing in the textbook as well as in your workbook. You have to do this. Okay, now let's start with today's chapter. Before I start, let me ask you a few questions. Children, now we all are started with the online teaching. So where you all are watching all the videos? WhatsApp mode in your Android phones. Am I right? So what is the basic need now? The Android mobile phones are the basic need for this online teaching. This lesson is very very suitable for today's condition because this lesson is totally based on what? Mobile phones. Okay, totally based on the technology, and it's a very very interesting story of a person. See, who is that person? We will see. This is that person, Steve Jobs. ये यंग एज में ऐसे दिखते थे एंड देन लाइक दिस. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट स्टीव जॉब्स. अब आप बोलेंगे कौन है ये? ओके, स्टीव जॉब्स 1955 to 2011. See, his at the age of 56 he passed away. ठीक है, बहुत ही कम उनकी लाइफ रही, बट द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ग्रेट, आउटस्टैंडिंग. So what is that contribution? We will see in the next lecture. Now I will just give you the introduction of this particular and great, or we can say the greatest personality. Because just because of his struggle, just because of his inventions, we are very free today, that we have got so many facilities. He is the inventor, he is the pioneer of many things. What is that thing? See, he is carrying mobile in his hand, so he is the inventor of Apple company. अब हम सब फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं. अभी आप लोग भी ये जो लेक्चर है मेरा फ़ोन पर देख रहे हो. विच कंपनी फ़ोन्स यू ऑल आर यूजिंग? सम आर यूजिंग सैमसंग, वीवो, नोकिया, रेडमी एंड सो ऑन. है ना, हम लोग ये सारी कंपनीज़ के फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं. रेयरली पीपल यूज़ एप्पल कंपनी फ़ोन. एवरीबडी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. है ना, एप्पल कंपनी के फ़ोन क्या होते हैं? बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी रेयरली यूज़ देम. मोस्टली द बिजनेस पर्सन्स, हाई प्रोफाइल पीपल, दे यूज़ एप्पल कंपनी फ़ोन, राइट? सो ही इज़ द पायोनियर एंड इन्वेंटर, को फाउंडर ऑफ एप्पल कंपनी. इन्होंने एप्पल फ़ोन बनाया है. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल आर टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट. देखते हैं अभी. स्टीव जॉब्स 1955 to 2011 was an American entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means a person who is good businessman, or who know the way of doing business. एकदम अच्छा बिजनेसमैन जिसको क्या बोलेंगे, जिसको बिजनेस करना बहुत अच्छी तरह से आता है. बिजनेस मैग्नेट. ओके, ही वॉज द बिजनेस मैग्नेट, वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन. इन्वेंटर. इन्वेंटर, हु इज कॉल्ड इन्वेंटर? अ पर्सन हु इन्वेंट समथिंग, दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज इन्वेंटर. है ना, ग्राहम बेल इज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ टेलीफोन. Similarly, he is the inventor of what? Apple phones, that we are going to see later on in this. And industrial designer. See, कितना कुछ किया उन्होंने. He was industrial designer, entrepreneur, businessman, business magnate, inventor. He was the chairman, chief executive, that is CEO बोलते हैं ना हम, officer and co-founder of Apple Inc. Apple Inc. Incorporated. Okay, this is the short form of incorporated. See, LTD लिखा हुआ होता है, उसका मतलब होता है limited. We read such short forms, but we don't try to understand what exactly they mean. Okay, co-founder मतलब उन्होंने अकेले ने फाउंड नहीं किया, उनके साथ और भी कोई था. ठीक है. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneer of the microcomputer revolution. Microcomputer pioneer, head, inventor. Okay, जिसने कुछ ईजाद किया हो. किसका? Microcomputer revolution. Revolution, it's a historical word. जब भी कोई चीज़ नई आती है, कुछ नई चीज़ होती है, that is called revolution. So microcomputer, he started mini computers. Now we can say that the computer which we are using in our cell phones, that is also microcomputer. So he is the pioneer of microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. In 1970s and 80s, he has done a great contribution in this field. Okay. See children, it's his life cycle, his biography, we can say, is very interesting. When I'll start this lesson, I want to complete at once only, because it's not so long. तो एक ही lecture में मुझे पूरा lesson complete करना है. तो here we finish only the introduction part. Each and every part of his life that we will see deeply in the lesson. Okay, so here I am concluding with this introduction and warming up activity only, because in the next lecture I will complete the whole lesson. Okay, so please collect more information about this beautiful personality स्टीव जॉब. इनका एक कलरफुल पिक्चर आप नोटबुक में स्टिक करो और वहाँ पे उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको लिखना है. दैट विल बी योर होमवर्क. सी, thank you so much children for watching the video. Please collect information, do the warming up activity and take care of yourself. Thank you.